Hey guys, I've been doing this for over 20 years, and what I've learned about the sales process, the service call process, it's all kind of the same, is it's a process that tends to be passive aggressive. What do I mean by passive aggressive? I mean that the prospects tend to not tell you the truth. They tend to hold their cards close to their vest. They tend to lie. Then the next step is they tend to want to get all your information for free. I mean, think about it, guys. How many times have you engineered a process? How many times have you gone through a listing presentation with a prospect, if you're a realtor? How many times have you sort of just shown them all your stuff, all your expertise? How many times have you done free consulting and never got paid for it? So prospects manipulate to try to learn and get your knowledge and get your engineering. And once you do that, then they have a tendency to lie to you again. And how many of you have heard this? Oh, you did a great presentation. We really love your presentation. Thank you so much. We're gonna think about this and get back to you. I mean, you've all got thousands of examples of that happening to you. And then what happens next? You go to bed at night and you think, I got one. You got a pipeline that's maybe a list of 20, who knows? But then you call them back and they ghost you. That's the new word for the last few years, is ghost you. That means you call, they don't answer. I used to call it hiding. How many hiders have you got out there? So the way that you deal with people in relationships that are passive aggressive means they move against you in an underhanded, passive manner. It isn't in your face aggression, but it's manipulation in a passive way. How do you deal with that? You deal with it by becoming a very assertive individual. Learn the skills of assertiveness, and you can say no to the manipulation in the sales process. So if you want to learn more about how to be an assertive technician, an assertive realtor, an assertive salesperson, an assertive leader, this manipulation process goes on in leadership too, because you got to deal with your people. If you want to learn how to be open, honest, and direct, and respectful, and natural in relating to others, come to my seminar, How to Be an Assertive Technician, Salesperson, or Leader. How to Build Boundaries in the Sales Process. Click on the link below. We'd love to see you there and help you become a more assertive individual. Hey, thank you for listening. I hope this helps you, and God bless.